Hello students, hello viewers, welcome to this video. And in this video we are going to look at a new word, and the word for today is Amateurish. Let me repeat, Amateurish, and this word divides itself into 4 syllables. Am, a, chur, ish. Let me repeat. Syllable 1 is am, syllable 2 is a, syllable 3 is chur, and syllable 4 is ish. Okay, so am, a, chur, ish. And the standard British English pronunciation of this word is amateurish. 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 Now, from the manner in which I have pronounced, you would understand that the first syllable is stressed. So let me share screen with you and let us see how this word divides itself. And so already you know that the first syllable is stressed. Amateurish. Amateurish. Now, you may be wondering, how come, the first syllable is stressed. That is fine. And I've given you the pronunciation, you can start practicing. That's not a problem at all. But let's come to the third syllable. Doesn't the third syllable also appear strong to you? I mean, is there a possibility that the third syllable should have attracted this stress? Because you have R here, which usually has an influence on the previous vowel letters. So here it will lengthens the vowel letter. So it is chur. Okay, so it's pronounced chur. So why is it that chur is not accented, is not stressed? Actually, chur is stressed. What we have looked at here, this pronunciation amateurish, is the standard British English pronunciation. Let us look at the other pronunciation for this. This pronunciation that you see here, amateurish. Amateurish is the American pronunciation. Now, if you look at it, the syllables are the same. The word divides itself similarly. But in the British English pronunciation, the first syllable is stressed, and in the American pronunciation, the third syllable is stressed. Now, just before we proceed any further, let me contrast this. So British English, amateurish. American English, amateurish. British English, amateurish. American English, amateurish. 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 Are you able to feel the difference? But now you may be, let's take it to the next to the next point. You may have this doubt, okay, and let me answer this question. Now here in the British English pronunciation, am is pronounced. Am is stressed. What about the American English pronunciation? Actually, am is also stressed. Okay, so let me underline that for you. Am is also stressed, but there is a small difference. I want to contrast this by using the red color. Actually, chur is the primary stressed syllable, so that is the loudest syllable, and am is the syllable that is less loud than chur. So this is called as, chur is called the primary stressed syllable, and am is called the secondary stressed syllable. Now let me repeat the American pronunciation so that you understand the difference between the primary syllable and secondary syllable. So secondary syllable is syllable 1 is secondary syllable. Okay, observe. Amateurish. 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 Now if you notice, I do not stress am as much as I stress chur. Okay, so chur receives it's the loudest among the 4 syllables. Am is a bit less loud than chur. Okay, so now you may ask, how is it that 2 syllables are stressed? So that is why we call it primary and secondary. Only thing is, the secondary usually in words, from now on we will start looking at primary and secondary syllable, secondary stress syllables. Okay, primary stress syllable is the loudest. Secondary stress syllable is less loud than the primary stress syllable. But if you notice, it will usually happen in words which have more than 3 syllables. I am not saying that does not happen in words of 3 syllables, but usually when it's 4, that is with 4, 5, 6, and and 4 and above, 3 and above. When the number of syllables is above 3, so if a word has 4, 5, or 6 syllables, then you have 2 syllables which are stressed. So in the American pronunciation, churd is stressed, but am is also stressed. So amateurish, amateurish. Now look at the British pronunciation. Only am is stressed. Amateurish, amateurish. So syllables 2, 3, 4 are all weak. Okay, but in the American pronunciation, if you notice, am and chur are stressed. That is the second and the fourth syllable are not stressed, and they are weak syllables. So we'll be looking at primary and secondary stress syllables from now on. So I'm not saying that of course this concept has been introduced today. I'm not saying that it's an easy concept, but as you go along, you will realize that you look at all the words that have been done till now, and you can identify in some cases, in many cases, the secondary stress syllable is also there. The only point is I have not introduced that to you till now. So in words which are more than 3 syllables, that is in words of 4, 5 and 6 syllables, there are usually 2 stress syllables. One syllable is the primary stress syllable, the other syllable is the secondary stress syllable. We'll look at the positions of the primary and secondary stress syllable from the next word. Okay, so the word for today is amateurish, British English, and amateurish, American English. So it has 2 pronunciations. Okay, let me repeat: amateurish, 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 amateurish. Okay, students, so let us say goodbye to this video. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video. Thanks a lot.